back with another Q&A video. What's up, guys? It's your boy RJ, and today we got a Q&A video. So I haven't done one of these in quite some time. I think my last Q&A video was like roughly like a year or two ago. So we got another one, and we got quite a few questions here. So I want to start off with the first question from Free Shane. How did you meet Tiny? If you guys don't know who Tiny is, that's my girlfriend. I've been with Tiny for almost 4 years now. I can't really say how I met her because we want to get that out there once we hit a certain milestone on our couple channel. So if you guys haven't watched that yet, click the link in the description below to go to our channel. We just hit 100 subs recently, so GG's to White and Tiny. Alright, next question we got, we have Kuvi. He asked, how long until the marriage, homie? Me, Tiny, you want to get married? Let me know. So I don't know. I honestly can't say because that's stuff that I can't really say on YouTube. Next question we have from Jaden. What was your first console? I think my first console was it was the PS2 Slim. You know, because I know the original PS2 is thick. It's extra thick. So I know the Slim is like smaller. The whole time throughout my childhood, I thought the PS2 Slim was the PS2 itself, but I didn't know it was a Slim model. But yeah, the PS2 Slim, that was my first console. Alrighty. So, next question from Wither. What inspired you to start Freeze Unit? Now, Freeze Unit. I started Freeze Unit literally almost 2 years ago, as you guys may know. And how do I even say this? It's hard to say. I guess I could say I just wanted to make it, to be real with you. Like, I don't think no one really inspired me to make Freeze Unit. Next question, are you my twin? Because Kuro in Japanese means black, so we're yin and yang. Bro, what in the world? Am I reading this right? Are you my twin? Kuro in Japanese means black, so we're yin and yang. Hold on. Probably so if you're wearing a black freeze hat. Also, guys, I'll be right back. No Hat RJ will be right back to get into today's sponsor. Alright? Guys, so as you guys know, Freeze Unit has dropped its first ever collection, the Wave Collection. It's very nice. Get your drip today at Sector 6. That's the vendor that we sell our apparel from. Make sure you use code FREEZE for 10% off of our apparel. And yeah, Freeze by RJ will be back with the Q&A video. Alright, thank you, No Hat RJ. As you guys know, that was a Leon Lush camo. Leon Lush is one of my favorite YouTubers right now in the commentary side of the community. Even though I don't do commentary videos, I stumbled upon his channel like a couple of years ago, and I've been hooked on his content ever since. So Leon, if you see this video, which I don't know if you will, that cameo skit was dedicated to you, homie. Alright, next question. What do you forward the most in your game? I guess he's saying, oh yeah, by the way, it's just RB Zert coming with the question asking, what do you look forward to most in gaming / your organization's future? So I guess in gaming, I don't got much of a gaming career because I do like, tech videos and whatnot. That's what I mainly do. So I can't really say I have much of a future in the gaming industry. But I would say for Freeze Unit, I think we're going to be one of the best esports organizations in the future. So the next question from Octafla. What's your long-term goals for YouTube and Freeze? Now, my long-term goals for YouTube, it'll be to have 100,000 subscribers. I don't really need a million subs, but if it ever happens, that'll be cool. But I'll be happy, honestly, with just 100,000 subscribers. I probably didn't say that right. 100,000. I said 100,000. Hey, that's just my grammar, I guess. But 100,000 subscribers is my goal on YouTube, and I want to try to like normalize my content. If you don't know what that means, I basically want to make it so I'm like 100% comfortable with what I'm making, because I'm still going, like I'm still trying to figure out how to normalize my content. I know not a lot of people are used to seeing someone like myself doing like tech videos, but and you know, because usually people be thinking that I need to do videos on drama or whatever, which really isn't the case. But let me stop rambling. But for the Freeze Unit's goal, I want Freeze to be, you know, like have 1 million followers, everywhere. I want us to make our own clothing. I want us to have our own website and all that. That's like my goal for Freeze Unit, and we're pretty much heading in the right direction. 2021 is gonna be a great year for Freeze. I can already see it. I can foresee the future. All right, next question from Danny. Where do you want to see Freeze in the next 5 years? I want to see Freeze bigger than FaZe Clan. At least bigger than FaZe Clan. That's where I want to see Freeze. Next question, Kat. How did you start YouTube? Now, if you go to my last video, where I titled it, "We Need to Talk," yeah, I put my own timestamps so you guys know where to skip to in each point of the video. Sorry. Well, yeah, each point of the video, so you know what I'm saying, because I know all that talking can get really boring. So that's why I added those little sections there with the timestamps so you guys know exactly what I'm talking about in that video. I started YouTube because of a YouTuber probably not everyone knows, but I wish they didn't know. His name is Marques Brownlee, or MKBHD. He's a guy who inspired me to make YouTube videos. But I will honestly say that's just for this channel. My second channel, which is technically my first channel on YouTube since 2011 or 2012, I did like Lego videos when I was a kid, like 13. I'm 20 now, and when I made this channel, which now blown up to literally over 1,200 subscribers, 5 years in the making, we doing tech videos and other sort of types of content here that defines who I am. I like doing technology. I love vlogging as well. Vlogging is something I really like doing now, because I do it on me and my girlfriend's channel as well. But hopefully that answers your question. Alright, final question from Vernage. How many carrots do you think you can eat in one sitting? I haven't had carrots in like 3 years, my guy. So I can't tell you. But yeah, that will wrap up this Q&A video. I haven't done one in such a long time, you know. Unless it's time on my second channel. That has some recent Q&As. That was like when my hair was short. My hair is taller now, so that was quite some time ago. But technically, it's been years since I've done a Q&A on this channel right here. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Drop a like if you like this video. Leave a comment of whatever funny moment you saw in this video. You know I'm a pretty funny guy, you know. And yes, see you guys in the next video. Peace.